like it is new to everyone. We haven't used this method.
As we know, some of the children who are not good at studies getting so much higher marks because of the online classes so that they can cheat on Google.
Okay, hello. My name is Saurajit Tripathi and I am studying BTech second year.
Hello everyone, this is Khwahish. I am a student of BTech third year from Punjab University and I am here for the session.
So my name is Anshul and I just passed out 12th, and due to pandemic we can't give boards, so that's why we can't predict what our result has to be.
The first question is, how does pandemic impact on your studies?
Well, we could say it had some sort of negative impact on studies because getting logged in home for a year and get to learn everything through online mode is very difficult, and also sitting in front of a laptop for us, so it is a challenge for us.
This pandemic situation is new to everyone, right? And this has a big impact on everyone, whether it's a student or anyone. I being a student, I am not able to concentrate as I would like to on my studies because we are being at home. We have other things going on around in the world as well as at our homes. We have to take care of our health. So these all things just take time, and we need to adjust. We have to make our own new routines which we can follow. So all these things impact our education a lot.
Pandemic impacted on my studies is like very badly. Like normally we study in school with very interest and interaction with teachers, but in online classes that's not the case at all. It's like you are just listening to a movie or a video on YouTube that you didn't bother about, so the topics cannot get clear perfectly.
That's great. Your second question is, what is the biggest problem you face during online classes?
Okay, so there are some of the problem that has been created on me, had some impact on me through the online classes. So one of them, as I said earlier, that logged in home, so get to learn everything through theory is something difficult. And another one is internet connectivity issues, and not to have that proper communication between a teacher and a student. So these are some of the problem that I had.
The biggest problem, which I already mentioned, you have to cope up with all those things. I am a student of third year, so I have to work on my studies as well as at home. We have to see things. Then we have our internships, our trainings. We have to prepare for GATE and all, a lot of things in a limited time. And these all things obviously take time, and they drain your energy. You don't have the time to relax yourself. You can go for a walk around. That is not obviously all right.
The biggest problem is the internet connection.
Okay.
How did you manage your time in this pandemic?
Well, it was a bit difficult, but I could say it is also there is a positive thing that we are there in home, so we get some time to study, to get some schedule, because we know we are all locked down in home, so we have to do nothing. So it's somehow easy for me to schedule the what to do, which subject should I study in what time. So it was, I can say, easy for me to do the time management.
Managing time has been little, difficult in the beginning, but as it has been almost a year, we are trying that goes simultaneously. We take all the aspects of our life and like setting up a routine that we'll give this much time to our family, this much time for ourselves, this much for our studies. So it all just takes time.
It's like as I get up in the morning for school, the same routine I applied for that, and when the link came for the online class, I joined that and pick up the classes.
Your third question is, how was your online exams fair in your institution?
Talking about the online class in our institution, it is not that much fair till now because we have to attend everything through online mode, and there is a chance of internet problem as well, and doing everything through an MCQ, which is a mode of examination. The format of the examination, it is somehow making injustice to the student. If someone has studied for prepare a paragraph or something to get something from that particular topic and to give the answer through MCQs is not sound good. So I think it is not fair.
I don't think it was fair. Like everyone gave their time and effort. That is the point. But the level of it wasn't fair. The level of fairness that would have come if it was practically done would have been better.
At some extent, I think it's not the case at all. Like it's not fair because, as we know, some of the children who are not good at studies getting so much higher marks because of the online classes, so that they can cheat on Google just by minimizing the class and go to the Google and search the answers easily, very easy.
Your next question is online class a proper mode of learning for you?
No, not exactly. It is a proper mode of learning because if we talk about some of the practical studies, some of the thing that you have to learn from outside your home, outside of the classes, so it is difficult, obviously difficult, and to do that for a long period of time is not making justice to the future of our country, because you have to be more practical than theory, what I believe in. So it is not good.
I don't think it is a proper mode, but according to the situation, it is evolving, right? Like it is new to everyone. We haven't used this method, but everyone is evolving. We are learning new ways so that we can work with our things. Like we complete all our tasks on time with our finish our degrees and all. But everyone's learning. I don't think it is the best one yet, but everything is improving.
I don't think so.
Okay. So
Because teacher and student interaction is very low in online classes.
What changes can you bring in online system?
there are few changes I could suggest. Some of them, like to give some time for student, like a break of 1 or 2 days, because there is an hectic schedule for everyone. So that is one of the changes I would like to bring. And one more thing is to give student as much as study material they can provide. So it is one of the changes. So that's it.
Change. The only change I think that is that it should be more interactive. Like not just the education part, but everyone is being left out emotionally too. It is impacting others. Like we join our classes, we are not interacting. We are just listening, and then it is up to us that we take it as they teach us or not. So it should be little more interactive. Like everyone should get a voice, according to me.
It's like not the change, because the status of online class today is like above average. But the thing is, we can do changes in the application in which we are doing online classes. Like that, in online classes, we cannot minimize or go back to the other screen. so that if teacher is taking test, he or she cannot cheat in the exam.